All right, let's go back to Unity and see this. So again, the process is pretty much the same, but to use customized content, you have to build your databases at Buforia's developers portal. And at the same time, you have to get a license key from Buforia's developers portal. Okay. All right. So now, the next assignment is multiple image targets, like 10 points. Okay, this is an individual project. Use multiple image targets in your creativity. So, due date is next week. Okay, the process shouldn't be that tricky. It's very straightforward. I want you to create an app that can recognize multiple image targets and display some different information. For now, it could be just image target with simple images, or you can be a little more ambitious to do more things. But in terms of minimum requirement, as long as it uses multiple image targets, okay, to display some different information, that's good enough. Okay. So if you think about some examples, good usage, you can use these types of technology. It would be, I often say, you can create something for like a interactive menu app at fast food chains. Like for instance, you go to McDonald's and you can use this hamburgers or some food as your image target. Whenever you do this, you can actually display some nutrition information. Okay, so that could be easily done. Okay, image target, and then you can display calories and some information. Okay, that's something you can do. Or you can create something for art exhibition. You go in, there are a bunch of paintings. Whenever your app recognizes paintings, it can display the artist and their bio or something like that. Okay. So by Wednesday next week, I want you to create simple AR app that utilizes multiple image targets. And so other things you can possibly do. Okay, AR menu app for a fast food chain, AR storybook, okay, or AR concert program, AR exhibition catalog. So again, like something like this. So this one done by my daughter. Okay. I have a little like a long arms, but it's kind of cool, I guess. And so imagine that like you have like a instead of this text, let's say you have like 5 pages with this the character design, and then this character design can be your image target, and whenever people use their app to focus on this character design, it can give you additional text or some voiceover or some other things. Okay. All right. So individual assignment is more likely for me to check whether you know how to do things. Okay. So obviously, I'm only giving you like one weekend. Okay. And then I want to see something by next Wednesday. So I can basically tell, oh, this person didn't submit or somehow didn't complete the assignment. That basically tells me you are in trouble. Well, not necessarily in trouble, but I would say you had some issue to follow my instruction and demonstration. So this could be kind of indicator of where you are, okay, in terms of course instruction. So that's why this is only 1 week, like fairly simple and straightforward assignment. But the next one will be group assignment. That you will have more time, and you have to kind of put your creativity into the project so that it should be kind of unique and kind of just better than one weekend assignment. All right. That being said, so multiple image target 10 points by next Wednesday. And let's look at this one, code review for Euphoria. So I mentioned this. You can possibly create AR storybook. Okay. So what it can be is, what it could be, it will be just illustration of something. Whenever you recognize that character, it can give you some voiceover. Okay. So we haven't talked about how we can do this. So if you are familiar with Unity, or you should know this by now actually, like to play music or soundbite in Unity. Okay, what types of code do you have to use to play a soundbite or MP3 file in Unity? What do we have to use? Code wise? Unity, yes.
Audio source?
Audio source, yes, and audio listener. Yeah, audio listener's right answer, but I'm looking for like a play one shot. Yeah, play one shot to play one MP3 file, right? So the idea is, so let's actually do this. In this Unity, I have 2 of this. What I want to do is here, okay, I want to play one song, and here I want to play another one. Okay. So what would be the best way to do this? Ryan, what do you think?
I guess make it a child of whatever image that you want it to respond to.
Okay. And so I'm going to make one more child here, maybe with audio listener.
Maybe. Not exactly sure what you'd add to it, but probably the audio source itself.
Okay, okay. Or anyone else? Yes.
Could you maybe do an if then?
If then.
If it registers boy 1 as opposed to boy 2, it plays the selected.
Okay, good logic, good starting point. So we're going to use some condition. If image target 1 is recognized, we'll play one MP3 file. And if image target 2 is recognized, we're going to play another MP3 file. Okay. So to do that, you can download any like MP3 files or any soundbite, and I'm going to actually, let's see this. I have some my own composition. It's kind of too loud, but that was meditation music that I composed almost 20 years ago. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, I compose some music time to time. But I want you to have 2 MP3 files, okay? And then we're going to look at how we can put, okay, this condition in this code, okay, to play these MP3 files selectively. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll just download. Well, actually, let's try do this. no, actually, yeah, I don't even know what this site is, but I mean, you probably know better than me. You can just download few music. Okay. Or actually, I'll just use what I have, what I created before. So I'm gonna do. Okay. Oops, it's too loud. But I'll just get my composition somewhere. Yeah, all FL Studio. Anyways, so I have these two MP3 files. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one and this one. I'm going to put it. Okay. I'm going to create a folder, MP3s, and import these two soundbites. So I have these two. Okay. Really, really loud. I don't know which one. Oh, now there's control by that one. Okay. Okay, I'll make it small. They change the configuration. Well, actually, no. It's I don't know which one's connected to that one, so we're not going to play any music from now on. But but anyways, I have these two MP3 files. Okay. So now, okay, this is what I usually do. Okay. I actually set code review. Okay. Well, technically, it's hard to say whether it's a really code review or not, but this is what I'm going to do. I'll go over here, okay, and when I do this, okay, one thing I noticed was, okay, whenever I have this one, okay, here is a trackable boy to found, okay, and trackable boy to lost, okay. And this one, trackable boy 1 found and trackable boy 1 lost, okay. So I get this information right over here in console. So probably you remember, to display something in console area, like what types of code do you have to use? What line of code you have to use to display something in the console window? Anybody? Yes, debug.log, right? So if I see this one, trackable boy 1 found, in this code somewhere, in this program, they should have used it debug.log somewhere, right? So I'll try to find that. So here, image target. I'll try to kind of look at what types of script I have. There's image target behavior script, but this one, I really cannot open it. Okay. This one, default trackable event handler. I'll double click on it. I can actually open this. This one, turn off behavior thing, whatever that is. Okay. This one, actually I cannot touch this. It just opens up the DLL file, okay, library file. Okay. So one thing I can do, because I can open this one, okay, open it and try to see what is going on. But one hint we got is, oh, it must have debug.log, and here trackable and found, they stay the same. Trackable, lost, they stay the same. So in that particular code somewhere, okay, they probably used debug.log, trackable plus whatever name plus found. Debug.log, trackable plus name of your database, like a data, plus lost. Okay. So here, I'm going to use like Control F or Command F. Okay. I'll just ignore that. Turn it off. Okay. Okay. So there are a bunch of debug.log. Actually, I want to find it here. And because I don't have the right SDK, I mean the updated JDK, it give me a little issue. Okay. But anyways, okay, I don't want it. Don't show this again. Close. Okay. Well, anyways, now I cannot even like close this one. Okay. I'm going to kill this. Oh, it doesn't get closed. Okay. Let me do this again. Okay. Okay, sometimes, I mean, because I actually doing that screen capture software, it gets kind of lagging. I want to close it. Don't show this again. Oh, okay. It's not working. Okay. So now, okay. But anyways, you can possibly find that debug.log in this script, and we're going to make some modification. Okay? If I can close this and reopen it. Okay. What I'm going to do, let me actually stop this for now.